Oh, come on.
He looked at me funny. That was on camera, though.
Is it?
Come on,
All right, let's do it again. All right, take 3. Take 3.
Get into the zone. It's my constant calamities, overcooked stubbornness ways, means I'm hearing dialtones. Dialtones. It's my bus stop reality. When outwardly everything's fine, I'm just hearing dialtones. Dialtone.
Well, I tried to work it out, but nothing seems to satisfy the taste in my mouth. Now a bit like old tea and unloved grandmas, and opened up a jam jar of past pain narratives that I can't still shut. So slanging screams just bounce round the living room, and the eyes go red like brake lights, right? But ain't no sudden halts or bolts out the blue. I'm left in a state of hue, true.
It's my constant calamities, overcooked stubbornness ways, means I'm hearing dialtones. Dialtones. It's my bus stop reality. Outwardly everything's fine, I'm just hearing dialtones. Dialtone.
Ain't spoke maybe about 6 months, and standoff similar to Western's parts. So I +1 scenarios and sit back and watch, and partner by Rouge or fresh or too fine. Need some sugar like a wine gum fiend. So spring black humor, try and crowbar smile, and it works for a while. But forecast bleak and dark clouds circling, rain densely.
It's my constant calamities, overcooked stubbornness ways, means I'm hearing dialtones. Dialtones. It's my bus stop reality. Outwardly everything's fine, I'm just hearing dialtones. Dialtones.
So if you try and cool, will you pick up? Or will I silly games, never let up? I'm trying out some olive branch tactics. Some olive branch tactics. So if I try and cool, will you pick up? Or will I silly games, never let up? I'm trying out some olive branch tactics. Some olive branch tactics. It's my constant calamities. An overcooked stubbornness ways, means I'm hearing dialtones. Dialtones. It's my bus stop reality. Outwardly everything's fine, but I'm just hearing dialtones. Dialtones.